Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I brought out my Sasquatch and Gilliam. This is, I don't know that I've ever shown him before. I've had him quite some time. He's named Gilliam because of his cousin Gilly. We want to invite you. When I say we, I'm talking about a collaboration with Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Gosha at Dolls, Trolls, and More, Irene from Irene Huff's Doll Space, and then our channel, Dolls Rescued, to join in the Boy Doll Challenge that we do every month on the 25th. We give a theme, and the theme is going to be this month, golf. However you want to show golf. I brought out these guys to show that you can use not just any boy doll, but if you have a boy plushie, we'd like to see it too. They're just fun. This is just for fun. And we want as many people to join in that would like to come and join in. Thank you so much, Gosha, Irene, and Cynthia. I sure appreciate this each month. Please go by and see their videos today, and we look forward to seeing your videos. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.